Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to deposit money on the Valora app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Valora app, and then when you sign up, obviously you have $0 in your balance, and to deposit money, you just have to tap on the top left corner, to open the menu. And in the menu, you just have to tap on the add or withdraw section, which is the fourth option on the list. And when you come here to this menu, you can add funds, deposit money, or you can withdraw funds. To add funds, you just have to tap on the add funds menu. You can add cello dollar, cello euro. You can use a debit card, bank account, or cryptocurrency exchange. Let's say we use a debit card. And here you have to choose the amount that you would like to add. Let's say 1,000. Tap on next. So you have to choose a transaction site, and here you can pay with your debit card. If you choose bank transfer, you have to go to the bank transfer site, and you can use bank transfer to add your funds. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.